The best mesh routers give you better, stronger wireless internet coverage than any solo router or Wi-Fi extender can manage. With multiple devices sharing a single shared Wi-Fi network, a mesh system is the best solution for fixing weak or missing signal in the farther rooms and even in the backyard. We've looked at more than a dozen mesh routers from wireless AC models to Wi-Fi 6 mesh kits, testing the performance of each to help you find the best mesh Wi-Fi kit for your home. Because a mesh Wi-Fi system uses several devices to create a single wireless network, they are the ideal solution for large homes and properties. That's why today I will show you top 5 best mesh routers for 2020. Make sure not to skip video, cause all of them are really great. Now smash the like button, subscribe, and don't forget notification bell, cause we are trying to help you to choose best of techs every single day. Now let's get started. Number 5. Nextgear Wi-Fi 6 AX 1800. If you want to switch to a mesh network without ditching your correct router, there is no better option than the Netgear Wi-Fi 6, a desktop Wi-Fi extender that can create a mesh network with just about any Wi-Fi router and the gateway. With Wi-Fi 6 suite and even mesh capability built right in, the Netgear is one of the best Wi-Fi extenders you can get. The only choice for adding mesh coverage to standalone Wi-Fi 6 router. While not everyone will be excited about its large desktop design, without a plugged-in design, there is no hiding this extender behind the couch or in the corner, and its price that's more expensive than some routers. The proof is in the performance. And boy, does the Netgear deliver, with the category-leading speeds and the awesome 95-foot range. Number 4. The Linksys Velop. The Linksys Velop mesh system consists of 3 tower-style mesh units that offer serious coverage for larger homes. Without adding additional units, these 3 packs can cover a 6,000 foot home with ease, and with daisy chain support it can scratch that coverage away from the base unit as far as you need. That wide coverage and flexible make it one of the best mesh Wi-Fi options for larger homes. But there are few rough spots in the Velop's otherwise impressive mesh solution. The first is the inclusion of Zigbee radio for connecting with and controlling a host of devices, but Linksys has never enabled it. The other is a lack of physical connections of the free Velop satellites. Each tower has a pair of internal ports, but with no USB connection it will be more difficult to use the mesh system, the printer or network attached storage. But anyway, it's very solid router, not in the top 3 level, but still. Number 3. Samsung SmartThings. The Samsung SmartThings Wi-Fi uses discrete disc-shaped devices to offer a whole home Wi-Fi for less. Available in the 3 packs for $289. The Samsung SmartThings Wi-Fi is the best mesh Wi-Fi system we reviewed at this price, so there is more to love than affordability. In addition to a low price and easy-to-use design, the Samsung SmartThings Wi-Fi system can consolidate everything from connected thermostats to light switches to let you take control of your digital home. It's one of the best mesh Wi-Fi options for anyone who is into automation. The system lets you set up pre-programmed control sequences for your connected home devices such as timers for smart light and powered window shades, and deep integration with Samsung's own smart home products. All told, Samsung SmartThings Wi-Fi is an economical way to fill just about any home with the Wi-Fi while satisfying demanding users. Number 2, we have Netgear's Orbi Pro. The Netgear Orbi Pro is the Orbi we have been waiting for. Combined everything we love about Netgear's premier mesh Wi-Fi solution with the future-proof capabilities and blinding speeds of Wi-Fi 6. Easy setup and great performance are the hallmarks of the Odell model line, and the newest model does not disappoint. The Pro serves up category-leading performance with a strong signal that punch through ceilings, floors and walls with ease, and built-in security blankets your home with a layer of online protection along with the ZP Wi-Fi. If you are looking for the easiest and fastest mesh networking kits on the market, the Netgear Orbi Wi-Fi 6 does the trick with excellent performance, particularly for those in older homes with lots of walls. When it comes to mesh Wi-Fi 6 devices, the Netgear Orbi is one to beat. Before we get to the number 1 Wi-Fi router, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you. Number 1. Google Nest Wi-Fi. If you want the best mesh Wi-Fi solution available, Google's Nest Wi-Fi is the best you can get. It offers super performance, a dead simple setup process, and it delivers Wi-Fi coverage that can expand coverage to handle everything, from a small home to a large estate. But the Nest Wi-Fi has something no other mesh kit does. With a Google Home smart speaker built into every mesh extension, the compact unit lets you control the router with voice commands, along with every other connected devices in your home, from smart lights to your smart TV. If you want the best and simplest mesh Wi-Fi solution for your home, this is it, the Google Nest Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Leave the comments below which Wi-Fi router you use. See you soon. Bye.